The most popular prescribed cough and cold syrup containing chlorpheniramine maleate and phenylephrine is not recommended in kids under the age of 2. It was observed that many doctors still prescribing the same. According to the US FDA, the kids under the age of 2 should not receive chlorpheniramine maleate and oral phenylephrine. And according to the American Academy of Pediatrics, the chlorpheniramine maleate and phenylephrine should be not recommended in children under the age of 4.